Today I'm going to share with you a super easy quick bread recipe that you can make 3 different ways using the same batter. Plus, it's a great gift idea for the last minute. Well, hi, I'm Dawn from Donna Cooking, and on my channel I'm here to help you get through your busy week with simple and easy recipes that you and your family can make at home and that you will love. So let's get started on today's recipe. This will be a really simple recipe for you to make, and I will have it all laid out in the description box below the video.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
Now I'm just scraping down the bowl. I've got the batter all made up now, so I got approximately about 2 cups of the batter in 3 different bowls, and one of them I did put like a cup and a half because I'm going to be adding the bananas into that one. So I got the cranberries already here, and I have some nuts and some pecans and walnuts that I chopped up together. And another one, I mixed up some brown sugar, a little white sugar, and some cinnamon that I can layer into the middle of the loaf of the bread. So I have this nice tin that has the little mini loaf, so that works really great, especially if you're going to be giving some little tiny breads to people. And then, of course, you can use the regular mini aluminum ones that you get, or you can use the big ones, whatever you prefer. Just make it how you want it. I got my pan all greased with a little cooking spray, so it's ready to go. Now I'll go ahead and do some banana bread. You want them about 3/4 of the way full. Cranberry. I got my streusel all mixed up here, and what you do is you just put a little bit in the bottom of your loaf pan, and then you sprinkle on your streusel so it'll be all in the middle. This is really a favorite. People love this one. And then you just put your dough batter on top of that. A knife works really good to evenly spread the batter on. Alright, got these cute little breads ready to go in the oven. I have 2 of the cinnamon streusel in this pan, and 3 of the cranberry, and 3 of the banana nut. Plus I have 1 each of this size of the mini loaf. So I'm going to be putting in the oven, 350, probably check it like 40 minutes, and then cook them till they're lightly browned and all done. So here we go in the oven.
Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
Now that the bread's all made, the fun part is to package it up so that you can give it out to your family and friends. So here's a few ideas that I came up with, and the first one is to put the bread on a really pretty plate with a bow. And for maybe hot chocolate lovers out there, you can attach a loaf to your hot chocolate. And there's such cute wax melts. candle wax melts, and then you can go ahead and put it on top of them. Another fun idea is to get a cutting board with a kitchen towel with your bread on top of that. I found a nice tin and I labeled them all and put it in the tin. A nice mug idea would be to put one of the stir sticks in and some candy and the bread. And for all the tea lovers out there, this is a really nice peppermint tea, and I put the cranberry bread on top of that. So these are just a few ideas, and I'm sure that you guys can come up with some creative ones too.